Co-Matic power feeder troubleshooting. In case of sharp noise or abnormal sound during operation, stop the machine and remove the back cover. Run the machine in slow speed and check all gears and drive chain. Keep your hands away from the transmission. Replace damaged parts when necessary. For DC series power feeder, all error messages will be displayed on the top LED panel. There will be 6 types of error messages, E1 to E6. E1. The motor fails to start. Please check if anything is stuck in the feeder. E2, E3, motor overheats. The roller over pressing the wood piece, adjust the press height of the roller. E4, abnormal power supply. In stable power supply, add power stabilizer when necessary. E5, abnormal signal. Examine if all the wires are connected and wired correctly. E6, overcurrent protection. Examine if all the wires are connected and wired correctly. For AF series power feeder, remove the cover in case of abnormal conditions. Remove a drive gear and examine the driving system and replace any damaged parts. In case of a motor failure, please contact us to find a replacement.